Hi, I'm Lucas.
Hi, I'm Ruby.
And we're Lucas and Friends. Cat says. Dog says. Cat. Dog. Cow says. Pig says. Cow. Pig. She says. Horse says. Sheep. Horse. Duck says. Cuckoo says. Duck. Cuckoo. Lion says. Monkey says. Lion. Monkey. Crow says. Rooster says. Crow. Rooster. Goat says. Chicken says. Goat. Chicken. Tiger says. Elephant says. Tiger. Elephant. Owl says. Parrot says. Owl. Parrot. Donkey says. Frog says. Donkey. Frog. Hey, kiddos and parents! Hope you enjoyed the video!
Can you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button? It really, really, really helps recommend our video to other parents on YouTube. Bye-bye!
Hey, Ruby! Wait for me! Bye-bye! It's gift time! Oh!